I just thought I'd jump on here today quickly, just to talk about the sun and your dogs and what you should and shouldn't do. Obviously, it's 21 degrees now, and everybody knows like over 14 degrees in Scotland is we're basically in a tropical climate now. So we need to keep an eye on our dogs, just in general, as it starts to heat up towards the summer. It's good to know sort of do's and don'ts, right? So, walking your dog and training your dog, right? Ideally, early mornings, late evenings when it's cooled down a bit. I was out this morning with a couple of German Shepherds, and everybody and their granny and their auntie and their uncles out with their dogs on the beach, fucking around, which is great, it's good fun, but if you are out sort of midday, keep it short, make sure your dog has access to plenty of water. Try and find like wee shaded areas where you can sitting in the middle of the beach, glaring sun with a big black dog. It isn't really a good idea. If you're concerned your dog isn't drinking enough water, well, you can actually soak your dog's kibble for half an hour before you give them it for breakfast or for dinner, but obviously that doesn't really solve the outside issue. If you are giving your dog's water outside, make sure it's not like ice cold water, because you hear all these stories about like construction workers and that who are up on scaffolds all day, down a bottle of ice cold water, their body goes into shock, they're in hospital. Same rules apply to a dog. If you give it ice cold water and it's already roasting, their body might not like that, cause them to go into shock, stuff like that. So just try and keep it like, again, cold water's fine, ice cold water, probably not. If you're doing training sessions, try to keep them short, 10-15 minutes max. You'll find your dog tires a lot quicker, and your dog will start making silly wee mistakes, and they'll start getting frustrated, and you'll start getting frustrated because they're tired. 10-15 minutes max, just keep it short and sweet. In terms of things you can actually do to otherwise tire out and occupy your dog, there are other options other than just exercise. You could roll up some food in a towel, soak it, freeze it, let your dog kind of eat it out of the towel, put food in a Kong, freeze it, let them eat it out of that. Now, the rules for the water don't apply because they're ingesting it differently. It's not like they're getting a big massive hit of freezing cold water. Stuff like that's really good. We play sessions in the house, all that sort of thing. But yeah, just be mindful, keep dogs in the shade, make sure they've got access to plenty of water. If you do have a dog with high exercise requirements, just make sure that early morning, late evening, make sure it's cool. No fucking 5-hour hikes with big black dogs, no water, etc, etc.